Mamma mia. For decades, scientists all around the world have been in a race to find cures for cancer so that patients don't have to suffer so much with chemotherapies and surgeries. In this effort, the two research scientists, Andrew Fire and Craig Mello, discovered in 1998 the RNAi technology from the English word interference, which opened the doors for the rest of the scientists and gave them the Nobel Prize for Medicine in 2006. With RNA, scientists can now silence, in other words, inactivate, only the cells that are related to cancer until they die, or at the very least, stop replicating. So let me continue my cooking while I'm telling you more about this, because the orders are a lot, and as you know, the recipes are even more. I'm the famous chef, Nicolaou Angelos Marios, and we're in my restaurant, Ribosome, where everyone comes to try my speciality, the famous throughout the city, Risotto Nicolaou Angelos, or simply RNA. In this very precious recipe book, I keep all my secret flavor combinations, just like the DNA, the chromosomes of each one of us. Our body looks like this kitchen. Sometimes it orders chicken, sometimes steak. Our cells are always trying to make what our body asks for, and that's why the chef must always look at his recipe book, our DNA. He then must copy the recipe onto a small piece of paper, the RNA, which he will then bring to the kitchen with him so that he can look at the recipe and cook what the client wants, or for our body, produce what the body needs. But not always. The RNA has other functions inside our organism, just like the ones Andrew Fire and Craig Mello discovered in 1998 by experimenting with plants and worms. Those special RNAs, the RNAi, is used to silence enemy RNA that entered our body through some kind of virus. For example, in my kitchen, it's like the cancel an order, and now the client wants, instead of my special risotto, to eat pizza with pineapples. It's legal here in Italy, right? Bad taste and of course unhealthy. Now I have to stop my recipe and make him what he wants. But I have to, I'll serve him right. And that's where RNA comes in. Just like my kitchen, the cells have the perfect proteins. Some have the perfect knives. Some proteins called slicers, with those who cut into half the double-stranded RNAs which were produced or found into our organism. Then the RNA comes and targets those RNAs by interfering with them and stopping their activity, as we no longer want the protein, or my risotto, to be produced. Bon appetit, my friends, even if it's pizza with pineapples.